Google is back with its next-generation smartwatch, the Google Pixel Watch 3 series. Packed with groundbreaking features, elegant designs, and seamless integration into the Google ecosystem, this is the wearable tech you've been waiting for. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the Pixel Watch 3 lineup. Starting with the standard Pixel Watch 3, this flagship model is designed for everyday use. Featuring a sleek AMOLED display with always-on functionality, it's protected by durable Gorilla Glass DX, making it perfect for daily wear. The 40mm and 44mm size options ensure a comfortable fit for everyone, while the aluminum case comes in stylish finishes like black, silver, and rose gold. Powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 processor, the Pixel Watch 3 delivers exceptional performance with smooth app transitions and faster response times. With a battery life of up to 30 hours, you can go from morning workouts to evening meetings without worrying about running out of power. And when you do, its fast charging capabilities will have you ready in no time. Health and fitness tracking are where the Pixel Watch 3 truly shines. Thanks to Fitbit integration, you can track your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and even SPO2 monitoring. New to the Pixel Watch 3 is the skin temperature sensor, providing deeper insights into your overall wellness. With over 100 workout modes, it's a perfect companion for every fitness enthusiast. As you'd expect, the Pixel Watch 3 integrates seamlessly into the Google ecosystem. Use Google Assistant for quick answers, control your smart home devices through the Google Home app, and enjoy navigation with Google Maps right on your wrist. With Wear OS 4, you can also access thousands of apps via the Google Play Store, ensuring you always have what you need at your fingertips. Next up, the Pixel Watch 3 Pro, a premium option for those who want it all. Featuring a larger edge-to-edge AMOLED display with sapphire crystal protection, this model is built to impress. Its stainless steel and titanium case options add a touch of luxury, while the extended 36-hour battery life ensures you're always connected. Plus, advanced features like ECG monitoring and dual-band GPS make it perfect for professionals and adventurers alike. For those seeking a more budget-friendly option, the Pixel Watch 3 SE delivers core features at a lower price. With a durable polycarbonate case and essential health tracking tools, it's ideal for casual users. Starting at just $249, it offers great value without compromising quality. The Pixel Watch 3 starts at $349, while the Pro model is priced between $499 and $599. The affordable SE model begins at just $249, making this series accessible to everyone. Pre-orders are expected to begin shortly after its official announcement at Google I/O 2025 with a release date set for June 2025. The Google Pixel Watch 3 series is more than a smartwatch. It's your ultimate companion for health, fitness, and productivity. Which model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest tech. Thanks for watching.